criminal.
How do you put money laundering for person when don't get money?
You don't dey launder your own money now.
Who broke?
You not criminal now.
I don't to do charity. They didn't wonder how. They don't know how they use debt to do charity. Anyways, we're outside with my lawyer, of course. And you know what we do. We can never get inside when we have our lawyer by our side. So right now, by strategy, you are going to survive me with at least $3,000 first for the starts.
Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. VERYDARKMAN is out. Finally, ladies and gentlemen, the EFCC, Economic Financial Crime Commission, has released innocent. So the fact said innocent, innocent don't come out. And I can tell you that this is not how they planned it. Nigerians are not too much. You see that when I do everybody put head, come out. This people go there for their days. You know what? We know hold this guy reach the tango. Even if there was anybody that made call and say hold him down, they're going to tell us, Oga, the seat is hot here. We can't hold him any longer. They are demanding for his release. See the face of person where they hold, when they talk, say make it day inside. The guy come out, he there as bright as morning star. He say we outside. As I hear, alright. All the FCC now go there for the office, they wait tomorrow. They know whether you carry pure water. If you assign one person, give up. As if they want to talk, or we go hold up for mouth, no talk all right. I'm ready. Wait first. We know say we do wrong. We outside. So you guys, anybody wondering now, if you just come on now, go back.
Congratulations to the RATELS. VERYDARKMAN is finally out. He has been released. The video you just watched now is VERYDARKMAN with his lawyer inside the car. We have VERYDARKMAN is equally saying that these people arrested him because of financial issues. So why would he be saying that VERYDARKMAN is committing a financial fraud when this guy does not even have money? You guys hear what VERYDARKMAN talk. He said they arrest person wey no get money for his account. Maybe they don't check VERYDARKMAN money, or they are surprised of all the way VERYDARKMAN take they give out money now. Drop your project plan, any plan that you have, drop it. 1 million for 5 people, that is 5 million. And they think that this boy to get money, or saying they do something where they maybe they into ritualists or all this year. They don't know say VERYDARKMAN. As if they get money from all these social media and so they use them, they help others. E get something wey I wan make una learn from this particular VERYDARKMAN case. For those of you wey be say all your money you dey pile am for your bank account. You get money 10 milli, 20 milli, wetin dey your account dey do? Except say you get numerous investments. But let's say you get that kind of money, you no get investment, you no get shop wey be say at least your shop, you get 20 million for account, you no get shop wey worth like say 10 million or even let's say 5 million. Wetin that money dey your account dey do? Na question I say make I ask una. So if you know say you get money, you just dey pile am. Know say your account is at risk. You are implicating yourself. These people are very greedy. Don't care if you are doing something tangible or not, they will look for what to, in fact, something that they will use against you. So I'm so happy that after said and done, they have checked and scrutinized VERYDARKMAN and they discovered nothing. Thank you, Lawyer Deji, for doing the needful. At least VERYDARKMAN is back and he's healthy. That is what matters to us. We are happy to say that our RATEL president, the president of youth of Nigeria, is finally out. The voice of the voiceless. The only one that can easily stand for the homeless, the only one that can stand for the powerless people in the country is only VERYDARKMAN. The only youth who I don't see for Nigeria wey fit challenge Nigerian government. And guess what? He will come out victoriously. That is VERYDARKMAN. I love what I'm seeing. To all RATELS. Thank you guys for protesting. And if not for you guys, who knows their agenda towards Very Dark Man, because you aid your voice, because you came out to protest, because you speak out, yes, because you posted, because you spread the news of free Very Dark Black Man. That is why this guy regained his freedom. I am so glad to be in this Ratel family. Thank you guys. Let's keep doing it well and more. Then again, shame on you, the one oh, the one may thunder fire you, kpai you anywhere where you do, the one. You don free Very Dark Man. Shebi you say make e rot for EFCC office, say make dey hold am well. Dion, shame on you. If you make video for this Very Dark Man, say hey congratulations, na thunder na you go kpai you, Dion. The one na thunder go kpai you anywhere where you dey oh. Enemies of progress. Una no want, at least say na your fellow Nigeria. Even people wey hate Very Dark Man, even people wey Very Dark Man have kwanta with, even come out to say that they should release Very Dark Man. Nans, this president of Arewa Youth posted that they should release Very Dark Man. He give reasons. The approach in which EFCC take carry this guy on money kidnapping method and kidnapping tactics. Instead of you to condemn this particular tactics used by EFCC, you still have the temerity to come outside to recommend and commend the EFCC that they should even hold Very Dark Man tight, that he will rot in jail, this and that. You I pity you, because the day Nigeria go happen to you, you no go see a single soul wey fit talk release the one. E fit be that Very Dark Man wey use dey castigate fit talk say make dey release the one, because that guy have heart of gold no matter what. No matter what. I say make I inform una my people say our Ratel Presido Daki don come out. Thank you guys for lending your voices. God bless you all. I love you guys. Oh, as e dey sweet them, you dey pain them. As e dey sweet us some more, you dey pain. As e dey sweet us now, say Very Dark Man don come out. E go dey pepper the one and all people, enemies of Very Dark Man, go dey pepper them for body. Some people go buy better high blood pressure medicine this night. So people like the one and others. I laugh in French. Bravo! Felicitations, Ratels.